Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Amalia Salsabila with student registration number F2B022046. So here I would like to taking a video for complete my final assign. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Mariana. Today, I'm going to talk to you about respecting differences between people because it makes me terribly angry and terribly sad that some people think they're less important than others just because they're different.
Selamat siang, nama saya Mariana. Hari ini saya akan berbicara tentang perbedaan di antara manusia. Saya merasa sangat sedih dan kesal ketika saya mengetahui ada beberapa orang yang merasa dirinya tidak penting hanya karena mereka berbeda.
Some people have different problems and differences. However, they deserve to be treated the same. We need to help them. We need to give them a hand. A very good way to help is just by respecting them.
Setiap manusia memiliki perbedaan dan masalahnya masing-masing. Dan mereka semua pantas merasa diperlakukan dengan adil. Kita perlu membantu dan hadir di samping mereka. Dan salah satu cara untuk membantu mereka adalah membuat mereka merasa dihormati.
For example, I wouldn't laugh at them. I would laugh with them. Stand up for yourself. And if you're brave enough, stand up for others. Also, I bet we all have abilities, right? Well, that's the first thing you need to recognize.
Contohnya, saya tidak akan menertawakan orang lain. Saya akan ikut tertawa bersamanya. Dan berdirilah untuk dirimu sendiri. Jikalau kau berani berdiri untuk orang lain, maka berdirilah untuk orang lain. Dan saya yakin kita semua memiliki kemampuan.
Recognize your abilities and then work on your weaknesses. I understand we all might feel very scared or very shy to tell a super footballer friend you're any good at playing football. But I will tell you something. Don't keep it secret. Stop comparing. Compliment instead. Remember, we're all different.
Cobalah kenali kelebihanmu dan perbaiki kelemahanmu. Saya tahu bahwa kita semua bisa merasa takut dan malu saat kita ingin bersama teman sepak bola kita merasa tidak bisa, padahal kita bisa. Tapi coba ingat satu hal, jangan takut untuk berbicara, jangan simpan itu sebagai rahasia. Berhenti membandingkan dirimu, dan ingatlah, kita semua berbeda.
Furthermore, we also need to understand their background. How many of you have been vaccinated when you were smaller? I could guess all of you. I could also guess you felt a lot of pain. Just Just like I understand your background, you need to understand others' background.
Selain hal itu, kita juga perlu memahami latar belakang orang lain. Beberapa banyak dari kalian pasti pernah melakukan vaksin saat kecil. Dan saya yakin kalian semua pasti merasakan sakitnya. Dari situ, saya dapat memahami pengalaman kalian. Begitupun kalian harus dapat memahami pengalaman orang lain juga. Dan kalian harus belajar.
We need to understand their culture. For example, Indians don't eat beef. And another example, their emotions. Well, if you're nervous or shy, you might sweat or something similar, right? In addition, others might have a medical situation.
Kita juga perlu memahami budaya mereka. Contohnya, orang India yang tidak bisa mengkonsumsi daging sapi. Atau dari sisi emosinya. Jikalau kita merasa gugup atau malu, kita akan berkeringat dan merasa aneh. Bisa jadi orang lain memiliki kondisi medis yang berbeda dari apa yang kita rasakan.
Have you watched Wonder, the movie about Augie? Well, he was actually born with a problem in his face. We could also have a problem of just having one arm, or one leg, or no arms, or no legs, or only one ear. However, we need to treat others the way we would like to be treated.
Pernahkah kalian menonton film Wonder tentang Aoki? Dia lahir dengan permasalahan wajahnya. Kita bisa saja punya keterbatasan fisik seperti hanya memiliki satu kaki, satu tangan, satu kuping, dan lainnya. Tetapi kita harus paham, kita harus memperlakukan mereka sebagaimana kita ingin diperlakukan.
To conclude, as I said before, some people have different problems, abilities, and weaknesses that we need to understand as respect. But why do we need to respect others? In my opinion, we need to respect others because at the end, we all have the same value. Thank you for listening to my speech.
Sebagai penutup, setiap orang memiliki perbedaan, kemampuan, dan kelemahannya masing-masing. Dan kita harus menghormati itu. Mengapa kita harus menghormati itu? Karena pada akhirnya, kita semua memiliki nilai yang sama. Terima kasih sudah mendengarkan. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.